This application shows how Bluetooth RFID reader works in Nokia N800. First, we start application from the menu. After application have started, we can press power on from reader. Then we can open Bluetooth connection from open Bluetooth button. Next, it will ask pairing code for the pen, and we put that on the text field and press OK. And now we are ready to read tags. First we press read tag button from application, and when light in pen starts blinking, we can press button from pen and read tag. After reading, it will show what was inside of tag. In this case, there was web link for Google, and it will open the browser and show the link. Okay, then let's open a few more tags. For example, here tags contains link for the local video. Application open media player and starts to play video.